everybody. Happy last day of the quarter almost. So if you saw the update, you see that we're extending this quarter through Monday. So I'm not going to post anything new for a workout on Monday or anything you need to turn in, but this is just giving you guys an extra day to kind of transition from class to class. So make sure on Monday, visit the page, make sure you guys have everything turned in, and that will technically be our last day, although there's not going to be anything new to do on that day. So today for your last day, you guys are going to be picking a workout of your choice. So if we take a look here, hope you like this GIF. I thought it was pretty funny. So this is me being really sappy right here. So just saying thanks, everyone. Okay, so it was a good quarter. Thank you guys for letting me student teach with you all. I had a good time, so I know this isn't how we wanted it to end, but here we are. So for task 2 today, you're going to check through your grades and triple check that you've turned everything in. So there's still a lot of missing assignments out there, and if there's something that you don't know what it is, please feel free to ask me a question. All right. Also, if you have absences that you want to make up, email me those makeup sheets, and if you did that previously and you don't see those grades in there, double check with me, and I'll check that I got everything turned in there as well. All right. So today you have 2 tasks to do. All right. So you're going to complete the workout, then you're going to answer the reflection questions at the bottom by midnight tonight. So triple check, all the assignments should be turned in, especially from distance learning. That's where a lot of the missing assignments are coming from. If you have an absence from before distance learning started, make sure you do a makeup from the makeup folder under the materials tab. All right, for task 3, you have 3 options today. You can create your own workout, do a body combat video, or you can do yoga. All right, so for your own workout, you're going to follow this chart and make up your own exercises. So I have done the reps and the sets, but you can choose 9 exercises to do. So first round, you're going to do 2 rounds, 30 reps of each exercise for exercises 1 through 3. So if I pick jumping jacks, push-ups, and squats, I'm going to do 30 jumping jacks, 30 push-ups, 30 squats, and I'm going to do it all one more time. Okay, that's my 2 rounds. I'm going to go to set 2. So notice the rounds increase, but the reps decrease. So you're going to pick 3 new exercises. Last round, you're going to do 4 rounds and 10 reps each. So your tougher ones, probably you want to do 10 reps each. Maybe your a little bit easier exercises, you want to do 30 reps each. All right. If you want to do the body combat workout, there's a 30-minute workout video right here. It's a little bit different than anything we've done, but kind of high intensity and gets your heart rate up there. And then the last one here is just a 20-minute stress relief yoga video, which I know some of you might really be down for right now at the end of the quarter. So after you do one of those, you're going to answer the reflection questions here at the bottom of the page by midnight. So these reflection questions are kind of reflecting on today's workout and kind of reflecting on the class as a whole as far as distance learning goes. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Let me know. Otherwise, good luck. Please let me know if you guys need anything.